Yes. Yeah, yeah, I've started. No, what I'm asking is cost of debt. Suppose you have the value of the debt with you, okay, and you have the amount of interest that you are paying per year. How will you calculate the cost of debt?
Then interest divided by the debt will be the percentage, so
Absolutely,
whatever is coming.
absolutely correct. That's what I wanted.
Either we multiply percentage and debt and get the total interest paid,
Yeah.
or if we have the interest, then we
Then
divide
interest.
it by total
Exactly,
debt, right?
exactly, absolutely correct. Now, can you tell me in the similar way what will that formula be for cost of equity?
That is dividend paid.
Okay, okay. Anybody else?
Sorry.
1 minus 1, what we calculate?
No, no, that is incorrect. That is incorrect. Cost of debt is totally different,
Net
no?
income, net income
Yes.
will be used.
Yes, not dividend. Not dividend, net income. The whole net income is owner's money only. Even though
Yeah.
company is paying them only the dividend portion, still whatever company earns after paying to everybody, that's the owner's money. That's the stockholders' money, or whoever is the owner. So that means net income divided by value of equity.
Num-
Now I
Value.
want to ask this question because I think Aswati mentioned, right, one minus cost of debt, or was it Anvesa? I missed it.
Understand.
Anvesa. Okay. Why is it not one minus cost of debt? Can somebody tell?
Cost of debt is before the net income, so
Yeah.
it will not come in the net income, right?
So actually, both are totally unrelated. No, how much you pay for your debt is totally different from how much of net income that you are having for the organization, right? So there is no relation between those two. Cost of debt has
Oh,
no relation with cost of equity. Value of debt has a relation with value of equity
yeah, yeah.
and the value
Hmm.
of the firm. I get that. But the cost of debt has no relation with cost of equity.
Yeah.
Cost of debt is purely determined by your bargaining power with the bank. And the cost
Hmm.
of equity is totally dependent on how effective is your operation, how effective is your business, how much money are you able to produce for your owners, basically.
Yeah.
So both are totally different. So you cannot do one minus cost of debt for the cost of equity. Now the reason I told this is because of this. Okay, now look at this example. I'm giving you interest of 10,000, cost of debt of 12%. You have to give me the debt value. Can somebody tell me what is the debt value?
Um, you have cost of debt. You interest divided by the cost of debt. Sorry.
10,000
Yeah,
divided by
cost of debt.
0.12.
Point
0.12.
1.12.
Yeah, everybody got it? How we calculated this?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Now, similarly, if I give you net income is 12,000, now cost of equity is 10%. What is the value of equity?
12,000 divided by 10%.
Absolutely correct. That comes to 1,20,000.
1,20,000.
Anybody having any doubts in this? In this too? Okay, I'll take that as a no. Now, if you have got it, then this is the question for you. X Limited is expecting an annual EBIT of 1 lakh. So annual EBIT is nothing but earning before income tax. Earning before income tax is 1 lakh. The company has 4 lakhs in 10% debentures. The cost of equity capital, there is another name for it, is mentioned as capitalization rate. They also call it that, is 12.5%. You're required to calculate the total value of the firm, also calculate the overall cost of capital. Forget about the value of the firm right now, okay? Calculate and tell me what is the WACC. Now,
EBIT is
yes, please.
one minute. Can you go up? Yeah.
Yeah, here it is.
Company has 4 lakh in 10%. equity capital is
8
12.
lakhs.
Sorry,
8 lakhs?
8?
Yeah.
No, no, no. 8 is the incorrect answer.
Tax rate is not given in this.
Assume it to be nil. Assume it to be nil. No tax.
Okay.
No tax. So basically, if I put it in a, I'm not answering, I'm just putting the information in a tabular format. Okay. Here is debt, here is equity. Debt, we know 4 lakhs. And debt percentage is 10%. Equity, we know percentage is 12%. Which information is not available with you?
Equity value.
Equity value is not given. Can you calculate equity value from this?
You said 12% or 12.5%? I thought it was
12.5. 12.5. Sorry. Yeah, my mistake. 12.5%.
Yeah, 4,80,000
4,80,000 is your equity.
equity value.
Absolutely correct. 4,80,000 is the equity value. Others, so can somebody tell me how can we calculate equity value from here? There is one additional information given. What is that information? Can somebody tell? EBIT is how much?
EBIT.
1 lakh.
Yeah. 1 lakh.
Now here is a hint for you. Something related to EBIT. How can we calculate value of equity? We just did now. Do you remember this example? Where I said net income is 12,000, cost of equity is 10%, value of equity, how we calculated?
We just divided it.
Yes, here they have given EBIT. Can you calculate net income? If we can calculate, we already have cost of equity. We will be able to calculate the value of equity in that case. Yeah.
Eight lakh?
No, 8 lakh is incorrect. How did you calculate? Tell me no. EBIT is how? Tell no. Where did you start?
EBIT is 1 lakh and 12.5% is cost of
You
equity.
divided 1 lakh by 12.5%. Is it?
Yeah.
No. So there it was net income. No. There it was net income. Here it says EBIT. EBIT is earning before income, interest and tax. Earning before interest and tax. So you have to deduct interest first. Okay, interest is how much? Can you tell me? You have all the information here, no?
Interest is okay. So 10% and 12% we have to. I don't know.
No. Debt
Not
is you have taken a loan of 4 lakhs at the rate of 10%. Okay. What is your interest?
10%.
Yeah. What is your interest?
10% of what?
10% of
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs only, right? So 40,000, isn't it?
Yeah.
So your net income becomes how much? 60,000, isn't it?
Yeah. Right.
So now you have net income 60,000. Your cost of equity is 12.5%. Tell me the value of equity.
It's 4,80,000.
Absolutely correct. 4,80,000. Now you have all the information. Treat it as a normal question only. How we have been doing the other two. Tell me the WACC.
So we have
Have you got it?
11%, 11.36.
Yes, 11.36 is the correct answer. If you have already completed, let me post one question for you. I've just posted a question in the group only. Once you have completed this, go for it.
On WhatsApp?
Yeah, WhatsApp only. Yes. The first question only.
Yeah, Dheeraj, it's 11.36.
11.36 is perfect. Go for the new question that I posted in the WhatsApp group. Let's complete the WACC.
Dheeraj, can you please repeat how to calculate the WACC?
Yeah, sure. No problem. So there were two methods. Either you can calculate interest for both of these. Okay. So 4 lakhs into 10% comes to 40,000, right?
40,000, yes.
And 44 lakh 80, 12.5% comes to 60,000. Am I right?
60,000, yes.
Total of the interest is 1 lakh.
80,000.
No, 1 lakh.
1 lakh, yeah.
1 lakh. Total of the
Yes, 1 lakh.
is total of the
88,000.
perfect. 8,80,000. 8,80,000, right? Not 80,000.
Yes.
So you divide this 1 lakh by 8,80,000. That comes to.
Okay. I again made calculation mistakes.
Oh, isn't it? Oh, no problem. That happens. So that way you can calculate the 11.36. The other way around also you can do. You can calculate the ratio for each, multiply that ratio with the rate. You total that those final multiplied ratios. That will also give you 11.36. Any doubts, case in this?
No.
Slightly indirect information was given, so you have to be careful in this sort of question. Let me tell you, this question is actually not from WACC. This question that we just did is actually from capital structure. When we'll be dealing with capital structure in detail, I'll tell you which portion of it exactly this question is from. But because we are doing WACC, I just wanted to address this question. This will help us when we're doing the capital structure going forward. Yeah, and note, if no doubts, please go for that new question that I've just posted.
Okay. No, I'll keep quiet. Let others do that.
Yeah. If Sel, you are done, I can post one more question for you. Give me 1 second.
Yes.
I just wanted to get done with the WACC today. So the practice also is over with we have done now 5 questions. I posted the other question. I'll just brief you about it. So the 50-50, I have changed it to 60-40. The 70% debt, I have changed to 40%. The 6% after tax debt, I have changed it to 7%. 12% cost of common stock, I've changed to 15%. So you know that flow.
Yeah.
go ahead with it. WACC, once you get to know the calculus, it's basically nothing.
It's easy that way,
Yeah.
but yeah.
If they complicate it a little bit, that will be slightly complicated. I've not
Yeah.
done with before tax thing. That complicates things a little bit. I don't want to do also because sir has not done in the class. But you just have it in mind that in case the before tax is there, just do 1 minus T, 1 minus tax rate to calculate the revised cost of debt.
Dheeraj, I got 7.1.
No, 7.1 is incorrect. How much of total, which method did you follow, first of all?
The first method. I took the weight.
Wait, how much of weight did you get for the first one?
0.32, 0.215, 0.45.
Okay, you have rounded those values. I got it. Okay, 0.327 first one, right?
Yeah, for 7%, 0.32.
Only 0.32. Second one, 0.215 you said.
Yeah, and third one, 0.45.
Okay, that's all right then. Then that difference is fine. So you have actually rounded those values. That's why the difference is arising. I have not rounded at all. In Excel, I have just kept it like that. That's why I have got 6.19%.
Okay, I got 7.1.
7.19. Why? How
Oh,
6?
even I got 7.18%.
7.18. So that is only because of that rounding only. Shell, if you
But
do.
if you follow the other way, like
Yeah, you get
25,007 is 1750,
Mhm.
16,500, 10% is 1650, 35,000 is 2100.
Oh, you are right. You are
6%.
right. I've actually made a mistake. Yeah, yeah. So I have not changed
Oh.
the rate. You are right.
Yeah.
0.1. Yeah. You are right. I have made a mistake. 7.19 is the correct answer. You are right. 7.19 is the correct answer.
So Dheeraj, in the other one you posted,
Mhm.
present WACC is 10.2%, right?
Perfect. 10.2 is correct.
11.8%.
Perfect. Yeah, that's all right. Done then. We are done with the WACC. Once everybody has completed, we can end the discussion today, and we'll carry on with capital structure in the next weekend. Others, did you get in the second question?
Dheeraj, I am still with the first question.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
got the total as 5,500.
Perfect. Yeah.
Where, yeah, and the other one, the total is 765,000.
00, not 000.
Mm, yeah, 765,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7.11.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Dheeraj, I
Dheeraj,
got 10.2%.
Yeah, 10.2 and the other one.
10.2 and 11.8.
Perfect.
11.8.
Perfect.
So 11.8 for that, what are we calculating exactly? I got really confused. I've only come till 10.2%.
Give me 1 second. Let me just share the screen with the. Okay, here it is. Can you see in the second one, your weight is changing, right? It says The new revised cost of debt is weight of debt is how much? 40%, right?
Where is it mentioned?
So the sentence that says, but it is considering a target capital structure with 70%, I have
Oh,
changed
okay,
that to
okay,
40%. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Mhm.
So it just inverses, right? So debt
Yes.
and equity was 0.6 and 0.4. Now it is 0.4 and 0.6. That's all.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Everybody got it, right? Any doubts? Okay. If no, then that's all for today. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks, Dheeraj.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks,
thank you
guys.
so much, Dheeraj.
Good
Yeah,
evening.
see you guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.